Hello everybody, Anna here. I just finished a very productive day, I would say, to the allotment. This will be like my, I think, third video when it comes to the allotment, the half plot that I have. If you watch the other two videos, you probably see there's some improvements, I think, I find. There's a lot of work and struggles and tears, happy tears, and not so much um, because I discovered that, you know, up to here, almost, I don't know, 30% of the plot that I have here, it's only carpet and all kind of rubbish under. So here is the front. I decided to make a entrance in the middle. I just like it. I like it better than just to use that alleyway, that pathway. Everybody use it, and it's like that. I don't like it, so I just wanted to be in front. And my husband made this archway for me. So some nice guys from here gave me some, you know, tires, and I put some flowers in them, daisies and, you know, flowers. I don't even know the name of them yet. Well, I know the name in my language, but in English it's, you know, too much information for me. And here I put some giant marigolds. I hope they'll, you know, come out because the soil is terrible. Here on this corner, look at this rubbish. So this is a work in progress. I don't know what to do with it. Maybe I will just cover it and maybe make a raised bed with, you know, new soil and to put some strawberries or something. Yeah, this is my friend. This was a toy of my dog Bruno, so I just brought him here to keep me company. Doesn't have a name yet. You can help me give him a name. Here I put some what are those black currants. I have two because only two I could find when I went to buy them. And here it's just rubbish. No, it's not rubbish. It's you know, grass and soil that I dig up from there and just cover it for it to die. So yeah, here on this side, this is like a better soil than there. I had this at home, rhododendron, I think it's called, and you could see, I don't know, it's a little bit sick. So I moved in my garden back home. I had it in 3 places in 3 years, and he didn't like it. So I said to myself, let's try the allotment. You know, maybe he'll do well here, you know. Anyway, and yeah, just put some sunflowers and a zucchini plant, and just today I sprinkled some, you know, flowers, hollyhocks and all kind of flowers, just to, you know, make this place my own, right? Here I have some ponies. Usually I know this, they have blooms. Usually I know they don't do very well when transplanted so late in the season, but I see that, you know, they're doing fine. So far so good. Here I have some put in this one some foxglove, just because it's gonna be tall, so there will be like 2 nice pillars. I hope, I think, I want. And around here, this year, I don't know, maybe maybe passiflora, but still I don't have good soil and it's not ready yet, so we'll do. You can see here I made a step, but I'll take you around because it's not finished yet. Well, I can use it, but I'd rather not, Okay, so let me go around. So all these are like standard pallets. I didn't do much to them. Actually, I I dig like a little trench and put them, deep in the soil. And then Peter, my husband, came and, made them more secure and, better. And he did this arch for me and, Oh, here I have some time. Very happy I am that you see this plasticky things. I bought some flowers in them, and look, they fit perfect here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have home some more. And I think I'm just gonna look. This is even deeper. I'm just gonna do like that, yeah, and probably put some strawberries or I don't know, maybe small flowers. I don't know yet. Anyway, let me show you how it looks from here. So now I have a terrace. Oh, I think it looks very cool and very nice. Oh, it was so hard, really, guys, so hard, so hard. Here it was a very, hello, this is my shadow. I have a dress, out of, I don't know, modesty reasons, if you like. Okay. Anyway, and here it was a big pile of it wasn't rubbish. I think they had the compost here, just dropped here. Nobody took care of them, and the weeds are so big and so nice that the roots were as thick as my finger. We still have, look, these were the roots of the weeds, so we still have to do something about it. But we're gonna put a greenhouse here, a grow house here again. So this is how it looks now. So standard pallets. We just digged a little bit. We put some iron bars and to keep it secure. And Peter just did like this. I don't know if you guys see it. This it. Yeah, he just reinforced with that. But yeah, I think it's cool, isn't it? I like it. I'm so happy about it. Right, and here I made like a step. You see, so it's a pallet cut in half, but not really in half, and filled with soil. Yeah, and the only thing that he put this extra wood there, so the soil will not come out. But it's not ready. You see, it needs to be reinforced and filled, and it's a lot of work. Yeah, I still have rubbish. Yeah, but much better. I'm so happy, really. And here will be a step, and probably I'm going to use it as a little bench, as I did today. There are my seeds, and yeah, like so. And this is the rest of it. So here I prepared the soil to put some cabbage, maybe, because I did a couple of weeks ago brought some seedlings from home, and only 4 survived. Something ate them, probably the birds or something. But here I have just one row of potatoes. These are Italian climbing beans, and I used nothing fancy, just these bamboo sticks, and tie them together with some zip tie. Here I have some onion. This is like a Turkish onion. It grows a bunch, so this is I use it more for the for the greenery of it, not for the bulb. So here I had the cabbage on this row. I have nothing now, only 4 in the bag, and I put some thyme again, and on here you cannot see because it's not up yet. I put some dill, some proper dill. It has to come out because cabbage and dill, they work very well together. Here today, as in like today, here I put some peas because I was like, I had just little space here left over from the onion and what did I put there? some Hamburg parsley. Yeah, so I just put some peas here. So if they will be eaten by something, that's fine. Bugs need to, and mice they need to eat as well. So here I put some Hamburg parsley. Um, this is a variety that it's very good for the root, because I want to use it, not only fresh leaves, but the root as well. And here I have some onions, uh, spring onions. They're like red ones, yellow ones, and I think white as well. But this bitter foot is starting to come. Okay, those are my 4 cabbages. 1, 2, 3, 4. My survivors. My survivors so far. Anyway, and here I have. Let me go up to here. I'll make you dizzy now. So here I just put some carrots. The soil, it's the way it is. It's first time around, so it should be better, but no, it is what it is. And here are some potatoes that I put like, I don't know, a month ago, but they already had the little heads coming out. And now look, they say hello, 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 hello. So they're coming out. Then I have some lovage. I use a lot of lovage. We do use in our cuisine, a lot of it, right? And here is the, oh god, greenhouse, whatever this is. It's very flimsy, but because we didn't have time to to properly do it, and I use it as a shed because I have no space for a shed, but that's fine, that's fine. And here I just put some 2 tomatoes, 2 peppers, but one disappeared. I don't know, just disappeared. Some radishes and a little bit of spinach here. Okay, do not say anything. I know. Oh, and I have a cucumber. Test cucumber to see what's going on. I didn't have time to take care of this. Probably I will have to. Maybe tomorrow, or I don't know when I'll have time to come. And yeah, so this is my my shed and my shelter and my greenhouse, my everything. And here I put some tomatoes. This, I think they're like some cherry tomatoes, and I put them with the soil from here. I was, I wanted to see if they will come out. They did, so we'll see. If something comes up, then it will be good. Why not? Yeah. So this is my lovely new plot. I'm very happy with it, actually, even if it's in work in progress. And maybe because it's such a half a plot, I could do it. And Peter came only once, actually, came to help me, and with making that structure there solid and safe for me and for everybody else, because people come and check. They're curious, and that's life. That's not a problem. I really enjoy talking to people and share my culture and my ideas and learn from them as well. So I hope you like my little tour with new information about what's going on the allotment. So I don't even know what day is today. Is it 14? I think it's 14 May. Yeah. So yeah, I know I should have more greenery, greens and stuff already, but I got it late. But I'm really thankful and happy about it. Okay, see you guys. Cheers. Oh, you might as well subscribe to help me out here. Okay, kisses for you. Bye, Anna. Bye bye.